Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. Without wasting your time, guys, I believe you are all doing great. All right. Without wasting your time, guys, I just want us to cover a very important topic in this video, and I would like you to watch this video closely because we are going to talk about three major things that happen when trading with advanced smart money concept. We are going to see how our system deal with manipulation in smart money concept or advanced SMC, and how it deals with unpredictable market. All right, unpredictable market, because sometimes you know how to analyze the charts, you know how to draw everything, to do support and resistance or supply and every analysis, but after all you still not you are still unsuccessful in your trades, and maybe you don't know the manipulation that is there behind your strategy. You don't know the exactly the internal structure. So we are going to see what is these internal structures. We are going to see everything into details in this video and how our system deal with us with those situation. And before we proceed, let me remind you, this is the last week of November, Black November offer. It will end by date I think 31st of this November. Is it 31st or 30th of this November 2024? So this is the only week that you have, guys, to grab your opportunity and get any of our system with affordable price. And we said the manual system, it's only 450 and you get it a lifetime license. We have the dynamic EA, hit and run EA, and the spikes EA, whereby all EAs goes with $2,000, but this time around with this Black November, you only get it with $600 dollars, and the balance you can clear. For the EA, you must have the balance that you will be clearing through the profit, because the profit is 100% promise. Because this is why I want you to follow this video. You know, you must know exactly what you really want. What do you do when you are in losses? What the system you're using or the strategy you're using, what do you do when you are in or you're experiencing losses? Do you panic? That is obvious. You panic. But having our system, let's prove even in this video that there is nothing to panic, because you can never ever blow your account. So guys, this is the only week you have. Today is 25th of November 2024. This is the only week you have to grab this opportunity. So let me not go into details, because I think I announced this earlier. So it's up to you to make your own decision. Mine, it is to show you and to back test. So we are going to even to back test live in order to see, because you must, even if you know you have the strategy, you must back test your strategy in order to know if it is a profitable strategy or not. So guys, let's now go in. We are going to back test the last month of October. All right, let me start here by back testing, because this video it's gonna be very short, very short, but we must back test. All right, we must back test. Now let's go straight and see what are you seeing on my chart. This is the dynamic EA, the two-in-one system. This is the EA and the manual at the same time. I think I have already talked more about that one, but in this video, allow me to cover the major points that I want you to understand the kind of the system that we have. And remember, all our system analyzes the market with full price action, ICT and SMC concept. So today we are going to talk about this, how they manipulate this SMC concept, and how to trade internal structures, and how will you identify these, what we call sideways market. Some people could call blah 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 blah. You know, a lot of things. Now let us go first to our trading view and try to see some major things that I am about to cover. Yes, if you are experienced trader, maybe using the price actions, or maybe you have been trading SMC or ICT concept, I would like you to pay attention to what I'm about to say, because I'm not going to go deeper into details, because we are going to do this back testing and we are going to see this live on our chart. All right. So this is a small example. Don't mind about my drawing. This is just a small example. Oh my, what's going on? This is just an example of what I want to cover, guys. Yeah, this is a market. Yet we can see we are coming from this supply zone. So this is a down trade. And many times you'll find that the market is unpredictable. You can't say this is a down trade exactly, even if you are coming from supply zone. All right. And you will find that even if you're coming from supply zone, it should be a down trade or an up trade if you're coming from a demand zone. All right. But many times you'll find that the market is somehow going in a sideway, in one day, like it's not going down or up, but somehow it is dropping. The market is dropping, yes, because you can see where the supply is. Then we have some few blah blah blah. Then this area, this market seems or like it's dropping, but somehow, again, this market is like a sideway market. Some people say, oh, my friend, this you can trade it perfectly when using a channel. Yes, you can try to put your channels here. You can try to say, oh, my friend, I want to trade internal. You can name everything. But many times you'll find that this is a confusing market, because people only analyze the market that trades smoothly. All right. But it is very, very important for us to cover the sideway market, or what really happened in the market that looks like this one. Let's say, for example, this is an internal structure, and where there is an internal structure, that is where we saw things like inducement, all right? And many times you don't know exactly what is exactly where the major inducement is, or which inducement to draw, or where is your lower high or high low, in order to spot the BOS, all right? So some people may call this a BOS, all right? Some people, oh, this is inducement. There is a lot of basics theories in the market, so that depends with your instructor, all right? But all in all, we don't care, because our system covers everything, so it doesn't matter what. So I'm going to use this as an example of the BOS, all right, or BOS, all right, or break of structure. I'm going to use this top here as our internal or our inducement. So when the inducement is taken out at this place, when the inducement is taken out at this area, let me show you guys. When the inducement is broken or whatever here, this is where we are expecting to sell the market. All right. So again, we'll be waiting for another BOS to happen in order to give us a lower high. All right. So the lower high can be here or here. And after the BOS or the break of in structure, then we are looking for another buy. But what exactly are these internal structure? How will you spot the exact internal structure? Remember, anything in Forex market or any structure can be internal structure. That will determine with what you are seeing in your trade or in your chart, or what you are trading. So I want you to get this. There is nothing like this is exact internal structure. That's what I want you to get. Because when something goes wrong, someone will tell you, oh, that was not the right internal structure. This was internal structure. That was not the inducement, blah, blah, blah. There is a lot of things when the mistake is there. And this is why you should work with professionals, all right? So what I'm trying to tell you here or to show you here, it is the BOS based on also the break of internal structure. And I have told you there is no exact internal structure because anything can be a higher low or lower high, or anything also can be internal structure. So there is a lot of confusion. The way you are not understanding me, it is the way the market does to you because that's how the market is confusing sometimes because you don't know exactly which is which. Even after getting the exact, the only place that is easier to get, it is the supply or demand zone. But remember, also your supply or demand zone can also be a higher low or a lower high of a trending market because someone maybe is trading up monthly or weekly, ABCD. So there is nothing permanent that you can stick with and say this is exactly in Forex market. I hope you are getting my point. So what we are going to see in our chart, it is how the system identifies those areas and the manipulation that's happened in when analyzing the exact SMC or advanced smart money concept, because it should be like this. Let's say, for example, after the BOS, the market must reverse to get into our engineer zone, all right, or our extreme zone in order to buy or to sell. Then again, after selling or whatever happened there, then the market will wait again for another BOS, the break of structure, in order to give us another lower high if it is a downtrend, another lower high, and that area of our lower high, that is where we should buy or sell. So and remember, the market creates lower high, higher lows many times. All right. And I told you, you cannot say this is exact because it can shift according to how the market is dropping. All right. Then it can shift. Your last lower high cannot be, it can create another lower high. So those are the things we are going to see in the live chat when back testing. But I wanted you to understand, after the BOS, we wait the market to come to our POI or our point of interest, whereby that is where we target the market, or we anticipate the market that will come, or we will anticipate to our area, so that we can buy or sell on our engineer or our extreme area, or even some of them are 50-50 areas. And remember, those 50-50 areas, those are the place that you draw your order blocks, because I cannot end this video without mentioning those order blocks, because after getting this, your higher higher low or your lower high, that is where you get your order blocks in between your supply or demand zone, and where you get your what we call higher low or lower high, and etc. etc. So guys, let's go to our back testing and see what we were trying to see or to say. Now, this is an uptrend. Allow me to say this is an uptrend. So I want you to start now spotting how this system analyzes the market. This is an uptrend. So what are we trying, or where are we now going to target the market to buy or to sell? So allow me to activate my EA, so that after it has taken the trade, we're gonna analyze the market from there, because now from there you can see everything clearly, so that I can start covering my point from that view. So allow me, because now we have started, we are going to move this very fast. All right. Now we have our buy at that zone. Let me zoom out so that you can see everything clearly at this point. Why are we, or why the EA buy or bought this area? All right. Remember, this is an uptrend. The reason why I told you, you cannot say this is internal structure, because someone will tell you this is just a consolidation area, this is internal structure. Trust me, even someone who is trading weekly will tell you from here to here, it is just a higher low, all right? And now the market, we are going to get a lower high, a higher low at this place, all right? This is a higher high. So all this will become internal structure. Say again, someone will do something here, also depend on the time frame, will tell you this is a lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Or lower high, not higher low. Lower high, lower low. All right? Lower high, lower low. So it depends with your instructor. And the secret I'm giving you today is that no one knows, no one can tell you this is exact, all right? Because it depends with the time frame, it depends with what you are seeing, it depends with your experience. So this, all of these, right? All of these can be internal structure. Something small like here, where we have a pullback ABCD, it can also be internal structure. Hope you are getting my point. So let me again zoom and show you something here. This is an uptrend. And whenever we have uptrend, what do we expect? We expect market to break something. Let me bring my pen here. Allow me, because this is what I want you to get into your mind, because we are doing the SMC or smart money concept now, all right? Now, we are expecting market to break something like here, all right? That is a BOS now, because it has break that way, so that the market can reverse. This is our engineer area. Someone will draw a good order block with this candle. This is a good candle to draw an order block. I want you to see it closely. Don't think I'm doing any magic, because I do believe some of you are experienced trader about the smart money concept. With this candle or this one, you can draw all this body, because this is the last candle of this pullback. So this is where our order blocks will be drawn, all right, with the end of this candle. So don't mind about my drawing. So this is why, if there is like this small candle at this place, like here also, this is why you see our EA has taken a good buy. Are you getting the point? Why? Because it is an up trade. It is a bullish trade. So this is exactly area that an EA should pick a buy. And I'm 100% you can tell that that is a best area for an SMC trader to draw your order block. Am I right? Of course, I'm right. Is there any manipulation at this point? Because this is exactly placed to now to buy this market, because this market should be going up. But there was a break at this point and drop to this area, but it is still an uptrend. So the reason why I told you that it can be also this, all this can be also an internal structure, because this area can be our engineer area, and extreme area should be where our demand zone is. But thank God for this system. So let us see what is happening here. All right. It is a buy. We are in negative. All right. Let us watch and see. You see, after getting into our engineer, then it has placed another position. See, we have a very tight stop loss. Then what happened? All right, this market should be a bullish. Everyone can see this is a bullish market and it's still a sideways market. How do these systems deal with? Let's see. They have hit our stop loss. All right, they have hit our stop loss. Let's watch. It should be an uptrend. And now the EA is trying to recover. Let's watch this manipulation because this is where I'm telling you. After hitting our stop loss, I want you to see the behavior of the market. After hitting our stop loss, the market has reversed. Oh, my friend, I think you should have set a big stop loss. Yes, that's how people, you don't trade emotionally. If you trust your strategy, you are not supposed to trade emotionally. All right. So let's see, you have seen after hitting our stop loss, the market has gone up. That is normal in the market. All right. Now, again, let's watch going down, going up, going down. Remember now it has opened our sell, going down, all right, going down, and it has recovered our sell because now the EA, after recovering the losses, it must pause to know now what next. Where is this market want to go? You can see there are very, very small area. They have hit our stop loss, and this is still our sideways market. So a lot of people, they have been kicked out from the market by hitting their stop loss. Now you'll go back to analyze the market, thinking when now to enter the market, thinking maybe you did wrong your analysis, maybe you didn't do it rightly. You start condemning yourself, or maybe I forgot something, maybe I blah, blah, blah. This is the reason why when people are trading emotionally, they will start thinking maybe their strategy is wrong, maybe the system is wrong, maybe blah, blah, blah is wrong, maybe. But you can see our system, by this sideways and the manipulation that was there, it has been able to recover the losses and wait for another opportunity. That is the best of the best thing. Have we lost anything there? No. But if you were trading manually, you would have been panicking, maybe thinking blah, blah, blah. So let's wait and see this system, when will it again give us another signal so that again we can analyze from there. So we have spotted some manipulation that is there. Now, see what is this market is doing. Now, it is unpredictable market. As you can see, this area, this market was supposed to go up, but it is still now wanting to be a sideways market. And a sideways market, it's where we say we don't know exactly where this market is going, all right? But let's wait for the system again. You can see now deceiving people. We want to go up because we were in a demand zone. What do you see? A very spike, maybe because of news ABCD, and it has started again creating some internal structure. This is why I told you that the market is always creating new things. Now you can see it is again, after this spike, it has started creating another new structures. All right, so we have higher lows, whatever here. Because, oh, my friend, the last one, yeah, you can say anything you want to say. You can say anything you want to say because that is what happens. Now, let's come now again and analyze this market. Now, the reason why the market has sold this area, it is because now the demand zone that was our support now is our resistance. All right, it is now our resistance. Let me show you something here. Then, being here, because we talked about how to trade those internal structure, or will our system identify the internal structure that are profitable? Yes. It does not only trade those internal structure, but it will trade also the major structure. It is the work of the EA to detect those areas. Now, here there is sell. Why sell? Because after creating some internal structures at this area, there we have something like someone will tell, oh, my friend, it was supposed to break here. I told you, market, it's all about creating structures after structure. And there is nothing you can say, this is the major structure and here, all right? It can't be like that one, all right? Here and here, all right? Higher high, higher low, all right? Then what happened when they break your last higher low? When they break another higher low, or when there is a BOS, that's where we are waiting for the market to reverse to this area and give a sell. I want you to get this. I'm not making any point here. What if you say this is my last lower low, but now we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. There is a BOS at this point, all right? It's an example. I'm just giving an example. And it was taken out at this point, all right? What is this? You can say, well, this is a change of character. The change of character happened here, all right? I'm trying to show you the internal structures here at this point. If it has been taken out, we were waiting for the market to come out to this area so that we can sell. So the EA did not sell at this point, but it has sold at this point. Now, let's watch and see what is happening, because I want you to get it right, how the system deals with those internal structures. And remember, let's watch this, right? Let's watch and see where now the market wants to go. This is why I told you there is a lot of manipulation in the market. This is a sell market, all right? Let's see how this system will work. Let's go up. Again, it has hit the stop loss. All right, now we have a buy sell and we have lost some coins here. So again, let's wait. Let's wait and see now how this market will behave, right? I told you it is the work of the system to recover any losses and to deal with every manipulation. Let's see again. It has hit another sell and we are experiencing another loss. Let's watch and see. And I told you 100 times, they can never hit your stop loss more than twice or thrice. And it must recover. See what is happening now. See what is happening here now. We have lost some coins, yes, like $29, right? We have already lost $29 because of commission ABCD. We are in a loss of $36. But watch the profit, 136. It has already recovered, but it cannot close. And it is the work of the EA to close. Now see, it has opened a trailing. Because now, if they hit your stop loss, according to how we have been analyzing this market, they must pay you more than 3 times of what they took from you. All right? Now, that is the work of the system. It has opened the trailing, and again, it has closed. And we are in a good now profit, 140. Let's continue, because we have seen the manipulation there. Let's go back here. The market that was to be up trade, again down trade, sideways, trying to hit people's stop loss, unpredictable market. But the system is there to deal with them. All right? This is why you should thank the TFX company, because there is no, you will never ever blow your account again. Let's watch this. We are already on the date 9th. All right? We have seen how the system recovers the losses, and this is what I was telling you, 100%, you can never blow your account, whether trading with manual, because the manual has also the EA to deal with the market, all right? So now the system or the EA is relaxing to see now exactly now where is this market going. Again, we have another sell there. It has taken a good profit again. All right. Let's open a sell and hit the stop, the profit. Let's continue. The EA now is there to analyze the market again, and it has given us another sell. Let's analyze again this market. This is a down trade now, remember. We are now in a down trade. After down trade, we have something that was taken out at this point after this spike. This was our last lower low, but it was broken by this candle because you can see this one has closed here with the body. So this means that we already have the BOS at this area. Having the BOS at this area, what do? You go to this area and draw your order block. Am I right, guys? Where do you draw your order block? I want you to be very, very watchful because you can read this candle. This is what you are familiar with. All right. So taking this wick at this point, this is where we draw our order block. I know you know about this order block because now this is a down trade. And because we have this spike, this is where you are supposed to set your stop loss. True or false, guys? I do believe I'm talking to the people who have been trading advanced or whatever SMC. Because of this week, our order block is with this week, all right? But this one we cannot draw from here to here, all right? But our stop loss should be behind the last long week, which is this one. We cannot draw the order block from here. That one, it's not an order block. We pick this one and combined with all these candles, then this is where we are supposed to trade, to draw our order block and set your stop loss at this point. That is where exactly the EA set your stop loss because it can identify the order blocks. Are you getting the point? There is nothing like, oh, my friend, I think, no. If you know how to draw the order block, where would have you draw your order block? Exactly this area after here, after the BOS. So let's watch again. Again, drop. Again, it has taken the profit. All right. Scalping here with dynamic in minute 20 time frame. All right. Now again, it will relax and analyze the market to make sure again we'll have another BOS because it must create other structures. This is a class at the same time as we see how the EA works. So we are waiting for the system again to break this area. And after creating another structure, we are waiting for the EA to take out that BOS. And if that now will be taken like it is, there is a BOS, we are expecting again the EA to give us a sell. But if it will get another internal structures, we go for a recent or for internal structure, right? So let's see. Let's wait for the system to give us another sell or buy if the market will change the direction, and analyze from there and see which structure was broken. You can see it has taken out. All right. It has also break another one here, dropping, making another internal structure, taking out another internal structure. All right. Waiting, this is the last one. It has created another one here. It has taken out this one. So after taking out this one, where is your order block? Check this point, guys. I want you to check this point. Here it is where our order block is. True or false? So according to the rules of the long week, this we include it here because I think that one is No. I think here it's enough. All right. So this is where we get our order block. Do we have a sale at that point? Yes. Why this sale? Because I told you it has taken out here even before the EA get into this area. So we expecting this market to create more internal structure and to take them out or to break them out in order to give us signals. It is simple as that. I'm very happy doing these live, guys, because I know you know what you SMC means. I know you know if those area are of the order blocks. So let's watch and see again. It has given us another profit. Oh, wow. It is the work of the EA to close, to recover, to do anything. You don't do anything except in proper installation. It's a plug and play. Let's watch this again. It was broken at this point. This is where our order block is, or you can go to this candle. Or those people who know SMC, they know what I'm saying. This candle means order block. Is this not an order block, guys? Just watch this. Is this not an order block together with this one? It's still an order block. So by having a good order block here, what is this? Another sale. Wow. Yet when we say that this system analyzes SMC and price action ICT concept, we know what you're saying. Another good profit. We don't hold for more. This is scalping, guys. Scalping. Again, let's watch, guys. I'm about to end this video because I think, oh, my friend, no, you have to watch this because this is the system that you want, guys. And I have to remind you that today is date 25th. This is your last week, all right? It has taken out something here, all right? We have another sale. It has taken another profit. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. When the market is trying to spike, all right? It has taken out something here, making another internal structure here, waiting for it to be broken. If it will not broke, we're going to have another internal structure. All right, this is a good order block. Check this, guys. Check this properly. I think now you can see everything. Order block here, right? Is this not order block after creating other internal structures at this point? This one with long wick. This is another order block. True or false? Can comment there if I'm doing magic, my friend, or am I trying to make points? You know about the order blocks, all right? You can see this candle. This candle, it's a very, very, very reliable for order blocks because of the long wick. It is the only candle that is buy candle in the middle of sale candles. So this is a good order block. All right, then we have another sale. All right, let's wait again if it will give us profit or hit our stop loss. Just wish it will hit our stop loss. And again, I missed to recover. Yeah, it has hit our stop loss. And now we have the buy to recover. Let's watch another buy loss to recover. How much are we going to recover this time around? Everything is detailed here. All right, everything is detailed here. Let me see how much we have lost. Oh, sorry, even we have it here, just $16, all right? We have recovering sale, $16, all right? Because we have lost with sale, so we are recovering here $16. All right, $16. Let's see, watch and see. We are already 19. It has already recovered. If I want to exit after recovery, it would have already recovered. But we want the EA to bank more profit, all right, because it can open even trailing, blah, 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 blah. We want 3 times of what they took from us. If that's not, we don't take any. It's better to go to another loss, let them hit our stop loss, but we want to go more than 3 times of what they take or they took from us, all right? So if they took $16, again, they have hit our another stop loss. Now we are about to recover $65. All right. Don't say, oh, my friend, no, yeah. I know what we have done into this system. I don't care about recovering exactly what they took from us. We want 3 times of what they took from us. They took now our $65. Now you can see we have already doubled what they have taken from us. And we allow the system. It has already opened the trailing now because it has detected it is 3 times of what they have taken from us. All right, guys. And it will open the trailing and start going that direction. All right. If they go back, they hit, and it has recovered 3 times. I told you, according to the power of our system, if they take your money, you must bank 3 times. This is 100% now. That's why you saw after we lost $16, we didn't take, or the EA did not take those $24. All right, it must give you 3 times. This is what we call 1:3. All right, risk ratio 1:3. They take 1, you recover 3 times, and I think this is 23. So guys, I do believe you have seen everything here live, because I must show you, because this is the systems that you really need. Today we have seen the manipulation that is there when the market is saying it is a sell market, because it is still a sell market. When the market is a sideways market, all right, you can see now the market is dropping smoothly, all right. And we have seen after any BOS, all right, after any BOS, after any BOS like this point, the market can reverse to this order block and give us a good sell. Let's watch. Even this can be the last one before we conclude in this video. You can see it has taken another profit, guys. Oh my. What do you say about this? And you can see the moment it has taken profit, because it has detected this market is spiking, blah, blah, blah. And you cannot say now it's unpredictable market, because now you have seen everything live. This is the 24th, and only one pair of Euro USD. We have already gained almost 30% of the equity. The equity was $1,000. Now it is $76, almost 30%. So I do believe you have seen when they try to manipulate the market, when the market, because this market was up trade, changed into down trade, the EA can change with that direction. You have seen when you cannot, you yourself, identify what are exactly internal structure, the system is there to deal with that. And we have seen also how the system recover the losses. So there is no need of asking, oh, how does your EA trade unpredictable market or sideways market, or whether there is news or whether there is spikes. It doesn't matter whether it is spikes, whether there is whatever they call themselves or whatever they say. These are the system to deal with it. And remember, it is not only in dynamic. We said even our manual, they are all the same. The only difference, it is what you trade. So don't say, oh, my friend, I don't know whether it is dynamic. I don't know whether it is blah, 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 blah. Just tell me, what do you want to trade? Do you want to trade currencies, or do you want to trade gold? Do you want to trade blah, 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 so that I can set the template? You don't need to set anything. You just plug and play. So I do believe that was very, very, very interesting to you guys. And you can't forget that you are running out of the days, guys, and you only have this week. And I do believe you can gift yourself with the system and have financial crisis covered. All right, guys. I do believe you have enjoyed that. Whether the video was long, it is good to educate you in order for you to understand what exactly you need. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.